This is Abby. Welcome to my YouTube video. Today we're going to make corn casserole. Let's get started. The ingredients you need is 2 eggs. This is a whole kernel corn. This is a sweet corn cream style. Corn bread, but this is corn muffin mix. This is butter, and you need sour cream, and you need a 9x9 baking dish and a mixing bowl to mix all your ingredients together. Step 1 is preheat the oven to 350. So you get your grease a 9x9 inch pan, but you need to grease it. Step 2 is mix whole and cream corn and cornbread mix and sour cream and butter and eggs into a medium bowl well combined it. Crack the egg. Crack another egg. Then beat it. This is the whole corn, like it's already drained in. And next we're doing the sweet corn. These we're not using because we already have one now. The sweet corn will be on top. Then you need to open the cornbread mix. You want to put this layer on top. One cup of sour cream. So right now, this is a 1/4 cup, 4 scoops. So this butter will be 1/2 cup butter. Then you're going to put in the microwave. You add your eggs into the mix. So now we're gonna pour the mixing bowl into the dish that you decided with. So we need to be on 350 for baking time. Bake for 45 minutes. So right now I have the finishing product of the corn casserole I made. Corn casserole is right here. I'm gonna give you a taste try of it. So it's gonna be very hot, but yes. I give this 10 out of 10. Where I got this recipe from is all alltherecipe.com. Alltherecipe.com. So if you like this video I made, to give this a thumbs up, subscribe down below, hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss any video just like this one. So I'll see you guys later. Dab out.